Drake, you tell me say you know say TikTok is the devil's playground. So unlike say you don't know where it come with. You know where it come with. Me you know say for the moment you're there, Drake, everybody this is life. Everybody are gonna love you within the moment. Because people want you come, including myself, when I got to a lie, they don't want you come and talk things with your baby mother. But I rate how you never come talk things about her, and I rate how you keep it that at a fact where you come for get help about your children. You know how TikTok say, you say it out to your mouth at the devil's playground. People gonna love you today, Drakes. People gonna give you today, and tomorrow, then find something else entertaining. You see, for the little moment that you're here trying to get gift and the little money for sort out your place for bill for your kids them, a lot of people now gonna like that. Whole heap of people are gonna attack you. Me now gonna tell no lie. Your baby mother Drake, we all know so she have a little bad side her. The only reason why ROSEALEE are going so is just because you're it #1. That's it. And me you know. So true you know that no peer ROSEALEE no mind. At the end of the day, me can't come between
That's
your baby mother.
That's why I reason my people them know, so I'm not gonna make it happen again.
Listen, you know, like nobody get #1. You have a mission. You see, if it was just for you, because that's a fuck Drake, just a big man. I don't really care about your Drake. You have a picnic. You know, finish your house. You have a house for finish. Your kids them still there in a CD custody. You can't make because ROSEALEE will come live and a vex and a vent. Make you stop playing match, so you don't get the money for go build your house, for get your kids them. You have to remember, so you're doing it for the kids. You're not wrong figure #1. So don't make nobody
break. I'm not leaving now. I'm going to the people them know so watch it. Because what she play upon her life is so fuck up in the ears of my people them. Remember some of my audience are female, you know.
That not stop them from give you. I'm tell you that.
Yeah, but I know watch this now.
What you plan for do? You want to come
up very provoking, you understand?
Very and then ROSEALEE want. That is what ROSEALEE want. ROSEALEE want to provoke you until you get fed up and come off. Now give ROSEALEE what she wants. You see, anything you think about coming off the internet, think about your kids them and the help them or the people them are going to help you. Now make ROSEALEE bully you off of the internet. Do not make ROSEALEE bully you off at the internet for you to help you pity them because ROSEALEE don't care about them.
Serious motor here, I have a laugh. You know, I'm not going to bully. I'm not taking any bully, but I just come for people them because them people still have confidence in me and still love me seeing me. You know. So that's why I come from apologize to them. Because I'm also female. You understand? I remember in the voice note, or Jamaican relationship normally between Jamaican men and women. When our ignorance come like, get out of here. No, our ignorance.
How can I go to you about your child? Something to do towards your child. And I said to you, say, then you're the pan me and somebody say them like and them want you. Say me the pan me and somebody like me and want me. I must can make them want $20,000. Cause bad too bad. Bad too bad. See God there? Me know for Aki me the beg the $20,000 I get it. Me know if Aki me the beg the $20,000 him would have give me. But because if you miss your pity them, me I wouldn't argument for $20,000 today. But look at myself to you say GX, fuck somebody who can help you. You can't live worse, for worse, Sarah. So if you're gonna deal with me and I can do, take somebody who can do better than me, so you go forward in your life. You can't live worse for worse, Sarah. So when you get go buy the clocks and this is for Jakes from First Lady. It's clothes she looking. She don't care about you or your kids' situation. She care about the clothes and the highlight on TikTok to beg. The beggings.
I call her with the intention. I know she's going to call you. Me know she's going to call you. People. I know I'm busy from the other day. Well busy. And still have to there. I try hustle, I try hustle. And still have to try do what I do. I'm busy, I try, you know? Hustle over here, so. They are doing the same, me I should know leap of love. And still if you try to do me, I don't try getting things straight now, but it wasn't there with them. If you come from last night, say, show and get some things done. You don't want to talk about, that can't talk about, that probably can't talk about. So she come from last night, so she want to get some things done for my daughter. She asks for a certain amount of money. Me tell her no problem, because me not expect some money in the morning. Yeah. To tell you the truth, me not expect some money in the morning. Yeah. This morning, me not expect some money. Now later down in the morning, we'll make promise. My daughter say, yo, she'll get some money. My daughter come the whole day. She over school, she'll come the whole day. I say, if I'm not going to bring the money, come here, because she want money, and she want money. You understand? Because of she must have share the breadwinner, you understand? Roseanne got the breadwinner. I will broke with baby them. Why? You spoil them. Them spend money with them feel like. So Shantana, you used to not spending money. You understand? I calm down the whole day, she want. You understand? When I get the money, I get through with the money. In the evening now, about the one before the school over. Rose, forward in. Me I cut up a split. She come to the yard. She realized that me I talk on the phone. She realized that me I talk on the phone. You understand? Me I be real now, no. You see, me I talk. So, she try iron. I'm tell you the truth. I'm not answer until she going. And when she going now, I start saying, it's a big man from the woman that really follow me up, because how the fuck you left from, which part you left from? Come, instead of argue about the money, you're not argue about them. The argument left totally from the money gone, a blouse and skirt, English girl, and who more fuck and how she broke and way, you know, brother. Brother, John was time. And when she go away and jive gone and them jive gone and I call her phone and I know she go record it. I didn't know. Because she had tried some stunt. I didn't know. She had to pull her stunt. But I never come and follow her at the same time. I never argue with that. If they argue at the same time, I better she had to go to her phone and video me and her argue. Or our friend would have video me and her argue at the same time. I never follow her up. And when she gone, I appreciate your big man that girl that really appeal on me, you know. In a real life, she appeal on me, you know. You see, because you're on the internet about the heap of antics. And you're still left from where you're left. You say, I come for clothes, bro. Clothes say I come for. And you come for the clothes and the money for the so you deal for Shanta. Oh, you got an English girl and the heap of English girl and you got out of the road and the middle of the road on top of your voice and the English girl and buck English girl and who want to fuck for who don't want to fuck. And the big June, really and truly, you know. If you try to see if you can take all focus about even me too, you know. And focus on the baby them, you know, brother. Because they're not even talking about the money all now, you know. It can't happen again. Man, this woman not even dead, bro. Why me I argue with her? I should not follow her, brother. So I really apologize. I really apologize for she come up with advice. Because I know some disappointing me, you know. I know when disappointing me bad. All I know disappointing me for really make she record me I say them something there. You see it? I'm sure they make me feel so, brother. Not really like, I'm sure they make me feel so. You not even know, brother. And me left house from Gosh Par June there, you know. And me left house from there. Gosh Par Rose there. Sorry son, I don't even know, brother. Big man thing, you know.